Desktop fixing clip, connector, base and upper arm support. Clip the desktop fixing clip on the edge of the desk board. Rotate the lower knob to fix the clip. Make sure the fixing hook leans towards the body's direction. Keep the middle part of the connector outwards. In this case, keep it to the right. Put the connector's bearing up to the shaft on the desk clip and insert it onto the shaft. The upper part of the shaft must be same. Put the base's shaft up to the another bearing of the connector and insert it into the bearing. The lower part of the shaft must be same. Locate the hook of the arm support and the cushion ring of the upper arm. Clip the hook to the cushion ring. Move the fixture inwards simultaneously. Lock the hatch of the arm support to the fixture. Now the assembling part is done. Here is some tips for using. Lift the upper arm to pull the ring on the base and adjust the supporting power. Pull the rubber strap out. Put the arm on the arm support and start the training. After the training, move the arm away. Put the rubber strap on the fixed hook to hold the arm support in position.